We are making cinnamon rolls. Calvin, you're making your own cinnamon roll, right? Got it rolled out. Our dough is ready to go. You ready to do the inside filling, Calvin?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We don't eat this. This is not the good stuff.
I'm patting it.
You can pat it. Okay. One more. Okay. Now, some of the good stuff. First dump. Okay, first dump. Here we go. Brown sugar.
I like brown sugar.
I know you
I'm
do.
gonna eat it.
Here, I'll give you a little. Here, side sugar.
Oh, this one.
Side sugar. You get one?
Yeah,
Okay.
this one.
Side sugar.
Okay,
Okay, now here, last but not least, cinnamon. Just dump as much as you want. Good. Nice. Stir, stir, stir. Excellent.
Oh, done.
Get it all mixed up. See those little chunks of brown sugar? We're just gonna break them up a little bit. And you know what? I think we're gonna add a little bit more brown sugar, Calvin. Here.
It's a bit down.
You can never have enough brown sugar. These are some big hard chunks. Okay.
Brown sugar.
Nice. Get the chunks out. Okay. Now, pause a second.
Yeah.
Make sure we unroll. So roll this out again. Okay, now this is the next part we're gonna do. We're gonna do.
And a bit butter.
So we're gonna put some butter on it. Okay, now mix the butter around with your fingers. Take your fingers and just go like this. Okay. Now we're gonna take a little bit of this. We'll do this, scoop. Here you go. Dump it. Okay. Now mix it in like
Wanna eat
this.
it?
You can eat it. Mix, mix, mix. Okay. Then last, you're gonna do this. Watch. You're gonna roll it like this. Look how I'm rolling it. Ooh.
A cinnamon roll.
It's a cinnamon roll, yeah. And we're gonna take this other side and pinch it together. You gonna cut it?
For my knife. Whoa, with the big one. It's a where the big one.
Okay. Okay. Can you cut this one?
Yeah.
Cut it in half. Yeah.
Pull it apart.
There we go. We've got 3 baby cinnamon rolls.
Yeah.
Those are going to be Calvin's baby ones, but then you're going to get big ones like me. So we're going to put these to the side, okay? Now I need your help. I'm going to scoop it, and you're going to go like this. Look. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Oh, eat this. Eat this. Nom, nom, nom.
Okay, Calvin, we're going to make our icing now. What are our ingredients? What do we have? Butter.
Butter.
Go ahead and dump it in. Get it all in there. Good job. Make it a little closer to you. Okay. We're gonna do a little bit of vanilla.
Open.
Can you open it for me? Okay, Calvin. Vanilla. Good. Okay. Now we're gonna use some more powdered sugar.
What's it? What's it?
Powdered sugar.
Is it yummy?
You can taste it. Good. Sugar. Okay, dump again.
Uh-oh.
That's okay.
Spin it. Boom. You stop it.
There we go.
Open it up.
Let's lift it up.
I eat that.
Let's do this. Do what Katri does. Little bit. Like this. Little bit.
one.
Okay, taste it.
Mmm.
Good. Let's mix it a little bit more. Turn it on once more. How's it taste?
Good. Mustache.
Oh, you have an icing mustache.
I see mustache.
Okay, here comes the timer. It says 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's turn it off. Now remember, step back so I can look. Oh, you know what?
Yeah.
I think they need a little bit longer. They need to be a little browner.
Only them.
Okay, so soon. I'm gonna make them a little bit longer in the oven. You smell them, so you think they look done? Let's look. Here we go, Calvin. Moment of truth. How do they look?
Good.
Ooh.
Only them.
You wanna eat them?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll eat them.